Welcome to Smart.bio, where people and opportunities connect at scale and speed. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to create your portfolio. There are a few key steps to help make sure your profile showcases your full potential, so you can get the most out of the Smart.bio platform. Let's begin with your bio. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. You'll notice your name is already filled in. This comes from when you registered your account with your email address. Click on Edit Profile to begin adding your basic information. Start by uploading a profile image. Once your image is in place, you can continue filling out your details, such as your birthday, pronouns, how you'd like to be addressed, your highest level of education, your email, your location, and your phone number. These details help others connect with you. For example, if you're applying for a job or collaborating with other users, this info will help them learn more about you. Don't worry, you'll always have control over what is visible and what stays private. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Now, let's move on to the next section, Test Yourself. I'll be creating separate videos to explain what each test is and how to complete them. So for now, scroll down to the About Me section. Click on the pencil icon to edit this section. If writing your bio feels overwhelming, you can use our AI writing assistant. Just enter the most important points about yourself, then choose from options like Improve Writing, Simplify Language, Expand Text, a shortened text. Select the option that fits your needs, and the AI will generate a suggested version for you. Feel free to edit or remove anything that doesn't quite fit, and then click Insert Text. Hit Save, and your About Me section is ready. Next up, Work Experience. Start by entering the name of the company you worked for. Then move on to the Job Profile section. You can either choose from one of our 26,000 job profile templates, or create your own from scratch. Here's an example of a pre-filled job profile. Add your job title, tasks, and responsibilities. Once you're happy with the information, click Continue. Add your start and end dates, or mark it as your current position, and hit Save. Just like that, your first work experience is added to your profile. Now let's look at education. Enter the name of your school or institution, starting with the highest level of education you've completed. Work your way down to your earliest education level. Click Continue once finished. Now move on to skills. If you've already taken the evaluation tests, like passion, strength, agility, and appraisal, you'll see a list of suggested skills based on your results. If not, you can still add your own. Click on Add Skills, and either choose from the list or type in the ones that describe you best. Click back when you're finished, and your selected skills will appear in your profile. Next, add the languages you speak. Rate each language based on your oral, written, and listening skills. Click Save, and that's it. You now have a complete and professional Smart.bio portfolio. We recommend updating your portfolio every 3 to 6 months as your skills and experiences grow. And remember, you can always retake the evaluation tests at any time. If you have questions about the tests, check out the other videos we've created to guide you through each one. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your portfolio with Smart.bio.